What's up, CHS? I'm Darius.
And I'm Amin, and this is Columbia Cougar News.
First off, we'd like to begin by wishing all who are celebrating a very happy Hanukkah. We hope you find meaningful ways to gather for the traditional games, gift-giving, and dinners. And may the joy and light of Hanukkah fill your heart with hope and inspiration all year.
Do you have a confession you'd like to make? Is there something you've just been dying to get off your chest? Well, here's Cougar Confessions.
Good morning, CHS, and welcome to Cougar Confessions.
I'm so freaking scared of James Dyer.
He doesn't bite at all. I have 11 toes.
I put a rotten egg in someone's bag after they pissed me off one too many times.
Pretty gnarly, dude. I eat chips out of my shirt pocket.
Ugh.
Yummy.
I be blowing up the gender neutral bathroom. I'm not gonna lie.
Don't we all? I love the Euros from the cafeteria. They're pretty young. I use ChatGPT on almost every assignment.
Now what kind of academic integrity is that?
Calling all 2022 to 2025 alumni. Grads Return is looking for recent CHS graduates to share their post-high school experiences and insight with current seniors and juniors. The virtual event is on December 22nd. If you have any questions, you can send an email to chsgradsreturn@gmail.com.
It's time for the annual program of studies cover art contest. We are looking for an original piece of your visual art. You can see Lily Kyle's piece, which won 2 years ago on screen now.
Your piece can be in any medium, including watercolor, photography, drawing, graphic design, etc., and it should be related to our theme, Pathways. The winner receives $50 and their name on the cover. To enter, email Mr. Sanchez your submission as an image or PDF by January 5th, and make sure to put Art Contest in the subject line.
Student activity/student council blood drive is January 8th from 10:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. Appointments are strongly recommended. Bring a valid photo ID, and those who are 17 need to have a parent or guardian sign the permission slip. Registration
and check-in will be held in A143, and the health screening and donation will be in the horseshoe lot. For more info and to register, you can scan the QR code you see on the screen.
Attention seniors, baby photos are due January 15th. Submit them on Canvas or by email at chsyearbook@somsd.k12.nj.us.
A few weeks ago, a delegation of high school and middle school principals from China visited CHS. They spent time in a number of classes, including AP Physics and Biology, Ceramics, CCN, and many more. They also met with members of the administration and faculty and said that they were very impressed with everyone's confidence, communication skills, and warm hospitality.
NHS is partnering with Soma Cares, Soma Shares, and Men for a food drive. You could donate things like toiletries, snacks, or packaged food in the front of the school building. Please support.
Attention freshman class. The class of 29 merch design contest is underway. The winning design will be placed on this year's merchandise. The design should represent our class and be school appropriate. If you would like to participate, please take a look at the details on screen. You can also ask Class Vice President Colette Yule.
GiveScript is now collecting written pieces for its new edition. Use the QR code you see on screen or on Canvas to submit your piece. Or you can email it to gilscript@somsd.k12.nj.us. or drop it off in person to 8207. The deadline is January 30th. Artist submissions will be later in the year.
The Students for Social Justice Club is hosting their annual winter clothing drive in the main lobby. Bring in your new or gently used coats so that everyone can be warm this holiday season.
The school's district annual toy drive continues. Last year, more than 300 children benefited in our two communities. To donate, you could drop a toy off at any of the elementary schools. Let's help bring the holiday spirit to those in need.
Attention all staff. The CHS HSA will once again celebrate you and say thank you with a festive holiday brunch on December 19th. The brunch will be held in A107. We once again expect a collection of breakfast casseroles, fresh bacon and sausages, bagels, gluten-free pastries, fruit, and much more.
And also, on December 19th, the 11th annual holiday cookie gifting will be held. The CHS HSA will distribute homemade holiday cookies to staff all day in the auditorium.
Now, if you noticed a certain buzz around school last week, that's because everyone was talking about what their top song on Spotify was. So we hit the halls to find out. Here's the question of the week.
Hey, who am I here with?
Kendrick.
Kendrick, do you have Spotify?
Yeah.
What was your 2025 top listened to song?
Top listen song? Cross Me by Youngboy.
Can you sing it?
No, I can't sing it.
Who am I here with?
Lyric Smith.
And what's your number one song on rap this year?
My Rifle and My Pony by... Wait, what's it? Sorry.
It's okay. Rifle and okay.
My Pony by Dean Martin. Alright, who am I here with? Maddie.
What was your top song on Spotify Wrapped?
I Told You Things by Gracie from, of course.
Hello, who am I here with?
Niara.
Niara, do you have Spotify?
Yeah.
What was your 2025 top listened to song?
Alligator bites never heal from Dochi.
Can you sing it?
Oh. I don't know about that now, but okay.
Who am I here with? Levi Jacobs. What was your #1 song on Apple Recap? It was Like a Stone by Audio Slave. Nice.
Great. All right, yeah. Okay. What was your top song on Spotify? Top song from Spotify this year, Drake. Jaded by Drake. Thank you.
What is the music here? Huh? What do you listen to music?
On Pandora.
Do you have like a Pandora rap?
No.
Okay, what's your favorite song?
So I don't know the name, but it's like I have to
Waiting for you. I can't do it.
yeah. Wait,
Alright, I'm here with Izzy. What was your top song on Spotify Wrapped this year?
My Own Worst Enemy by Lit.
Period.
So Amin, what's your top song?
My top song is probably VIP by Cash Down. What about you?
It was probably Olympia by Playboy Cardi.
Those are all your announcements, CHS. Remember to check Canvas in your email for any updates.
And teachers, club advisors, coaches, and team captains, if you have an announcement that you want on our show or the PA, please make sure you email it to Mr. Camp.
Have a great day, everyone, and be sure to tune in next week for another episode of CCM.